Hello internet world, welcome to my unboxing and first look at the Polaroid Flip Instant Camera. Really interested in this product, brand new latest model from Polaroid. I think that being able to take a photo and print it out and in the moment instantly is really cool. This uses the Polaroid original frame. We've got double exposure on here, we've got app control as well, exposure feedback. We've also got 4-zone autofocus, self-timer. The flip design sort of protects the lens when it's not in use. And we've got advanced sonar ranging, which I believe is used to help with the focus. Picture on the back here, a little bit of a design picture on the side. Let's take a look and see what we get inside the box. So the first thing we're presented with is a camera strap. That's really cool. Oh, nice vibrant colour as well. Look at that. Got this sort of rope type camera strap. Very soft. So I like that. Such a vibrant colour. And then we've got hello, it says here, with a little piece of cardboard that we can use to pull the camera out. And then we've also got some paperwork in here as well. Let's take a look at the paperwork. We've got a quick start guide and also some safety and compliance information. The quick start guide is probably very simple. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, so it just gives you a guide around all of the various features on the camera and how to actually take a photo. So very cool. And then we've got this protective piece of card on the camera itself. Now this is available in 2 colours, I think. It's either the sort of standard black version, I think, or this sort of white version, which looks a little bit more retro, which is why I went for this one. So let's open this up and have our first look at this camera. That feels a lot more robust than I was expecting it to. Very, very cool. So we've got the little attachments here for the strap. We've got the viewfinder, button, flash, USB-C charging. Nice quality material. I do like that a lot. Threaded tripod mount, of course, on the bottom. Little eject button on this side to open up for... Is that going to open up the actual camera? Oh no, that's to eject the bottom portion so you can put your film in. Does this... Oh, there we go. So that's where you put your film into the camera and then it clips closed. So you just sort of push this down to open up that front flap. And then to open up the camera, we simply pull this section up like so. And then the camera automatically turns on. We've got on the back here a flash symbol flashing. The fact it's got no film in, so it says 0. This is where you're going to get some feedback as to the various camera modes. So we've got like the timer mode, and I assume, oh there you go, you can push and hold for some exposure compensation, is that? Push and hold again to turn that off, and then we can we turn the flash on and off? Oh, there you go. So it's just a tap on the flash, and then when it stops flashing, it's ready. And then we can press again to turn that off. Not sure how we turn the self-timer mode off. Oh, it's just a single tap there to turn the self-timer off. And then if we look at this front on, you can see the retro design. So we've got a nice large flash across the top. We've got the viewfinder in this top corner here. I assume this is a little sort of speaker because we had that little sound come out. And we've got the lens in the middle, and we got the shutter button just there. So we've got no film in there, so it's not going to take a photo. But if we were going to take a photo, we've got the nice red shutter button just in there. This is a great design. It looks superb side on. Love the look from all angles. They've done a really good job on this, and it feels a lot more... I thought it was going to feel hollow, but it feels a lot more robust than I was expecting. And then the fact that that acts as the power switch, so that's turned the unit off. I think that's really nice. Let's just turn that on once more. Wow. I love it. I can't wait to take some photos with this. This is the new Polaroid Flip. It looks absolutely fantastic. If you want to purchase one of these for yourself, I will leave links down in the video description area. If you enjoyed my video, hit like. Please do subscribe to the channel. I'll do a follow-up video on this and share some photos that I've taken. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in another video very, very soon.